Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Our lesson for today is all about investigating how heat helps us in everyday life.
Let's begin. James touches a metal spoon that was in hot soup. What does he feel? And the correct answer is letter B, warm. What do we use heat for when we cook rice? And the correct answer is letter A, to make it soft. Joy uses a hair dryer after taking a bath. What does the heat do? And the correct answer is letter A, dries her hair.
Emma puts one spoon in the sun and one in the shade. Which spoon will feel warmer? And the correct answer is letter B, the spoon in the sun. Liam wants to see if heat makes bread toast. What should he try? And the correct answer is letter A, put bread in the toaster. What happens when you hold an ice cube in your hand? And the correct answer is letter C, it melts.
Olivia places her hands near a campfire. Why? And the correct answer is letter A, to feel warm. Ava wants to know which thing gives heat. What should she test? And the correct answer is letter A, a stove. Daniel puts his wet shirt under the sun. What will happen? And the correct answer is letter C, it dries.
What happens to butter when it is heated? And the correct answer is letter C, it melts. Which tool uses heat to make toast? And the correct answer is letter A, toaster. When water boils, what do we see? And the correct answer is letter B, bubbles and steam.
Mia touches a metal spoon in hot chocolate. What happens? And the correct answer is letter B, it feels hot. Which of these uses heat to dry clothes quickly? And the correct answer is letter C, clothes dryer. Robert heated water on a stove. What change will he see? And the correct answer is letter A, water turns to steam.
Harper wants clothes to dry faster. Where should she put them? And the correct answer is letter A, in the sun. Sophia wants to know which warms faster, a metal or a plastic spoon. What should she do? And the correct answer is letter B, put both in warm water and check. William noticed that candles melt near a window with sunlight. Why? And the correct answer is letter A, the sun gives heat.
Lily's teacher asks why we should not touch a hot pan. What should she say? And the correct answer is letter C, it can burn the skin. Ethan saw ice cream melting outside. What caused it? And the correct answer is letter A, heat from the air. Ava wants to keep soup hot for a picnic. What should she use? And the correct answer is letter B, thermos.
Benjamin wonders why his mom uses hot water to wash greasy dishes. And the correct answer is letter C. Hot water removes oil. Ella sees steam rising while noodles cook. What is that steam? And the correct answer is letter A. Water changed by heat. Harper wants to dry her wet socks quickly. What is the best way? And the correct answer is letter B. Use a dryer with heat.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.